Hey guys, my name is Jake with the CryptoHub. It is January 4th, 2018. Let's go ahead and get done with our market recap. So the last 24 hours have been really lucrative. Not only did we have a little nice bounce back from the correction, the market in general is just killing it. I mean, we're up $50 billion in just 24 hours, with Bitcoin dominance sitting at 33.3%. Look at the price action for Bitcoin specifically. We had this kind of extended candle all the way up, and then a little resistance, more resistance, and our last time we hit the top of the resistance was 15.3. When we slide back, we see that we're at the same price that we were in the 29th, on the 29th, 26th, and the 23rd. I still think we can reach new highs of 20K on up. Ripple specifically has been having just a monster rally. It continues, been up 40 cents in the last 24 hours. That is absolutely absurd. The market cap for the circulating supply is $134 billion, which is ridiculous. Ethereum specifically has had another great run where it's gotten $100 in valuation in the last 24 hours. Again, another token that has been killing it. Overall though, guys, we have a lot of room to grow, and I really look forward to seeing how things play out this next week. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.